Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Shure Beta 58, a neon series microphone, a legendary stage and studio mic that's been reimagined with a vibrant neon design build. The Beta 58 a neon series keeps the iconic Shure Beta 58A design but with a fresh twist, neon-colored metallic finishes that really stand out on stage. It's built like a tank, solid metal construction, tight grille, and a shock-mounted cartridge that helps minimize handling noise, performance sound quality is where the Beta 58A shines. The supercardioid pattern isolates your voice, reducing bleed from other instruments on stage. Vocals are crisp, clear, and punchy, with a slight high-frequency lift that gives that signature Shure presence boost. It handles high SPLs without distortion, making it ideal for loud stage environments. Overall, the Shure Beta 58 a neon series isn't just a pretty mic, it delivers the legendary Shure sound with the durability you need for stage and studio. The neon finish adds personality, making it stand out visually while maintaining professional audio performance. Thank you so much.